why so many people struggle to just make a cinematic look like this, and I'm going to show you how to use the Premiere Pro to start everything. And this plugin saved me a lot of time, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's jump to it. Okay, so this is called Cinema Grade. Okay, Cinema Grade, drag into your footage you have, and then just open it. Just simple. It's going to give you what is going to save you a lot of time. So here is how it's going to use it. Okay, I have some previous videos you can just watch, but this one I'm going to show you start everything. So you're going to click here. Okay, the exposure adjustments, you can see that exposure adjustment, you're going to click here and drag it like this. You can brighten it, you can just lower the brightness, and you can just keep it like this, or you can click and hold it and you can move to the shadow, mid-tone, and highlights. Okay, and it's going to switch to give you something different, but we're going to keep using this with what we just have here. So you're going to hold it and drag it. Simple. So I'm going to keep this one and just come to the contrast adjustments. Okay, so it's going to give you something cool like this. So anytime you just work on it, just check before and after. That's how it just work. And you can move to here. Okay, the color temperature adjustments, and this is going to give you something different. Okay, so this is very simple to use, and here is saturation adjustments. Just simple. Okay, so we are not done. When you just want to add something to it, you can just open here. Here is look, you can add these features. Okay, these features is just giving you something better, or you can move to dilute. Okay, here is giving you something sweet. You can just click on this, double click, and this is what you're gonna get, and this is what you're gonna have. So when you click on it, this is what you're gonna get. Okay, so let's just move back again and just start everything, and I'm going to click here and search what I think is gonna help with my footage. So I'm gonna click on this one. Okay, I prefer to just get this, okay, because of the nights. Okay, so I'm going to increase this. So when you increase this, you can check it before and after. Very simple. And then when you open this, just move to the down here, you can see the red. Okay, I can control the red anywhere this one, and you can see the saturation is going to give us something huge. And move to the green. So the green, you can move anything about the green where you can change the hue. Okay, I can't see much green in this scene. Okay, you can see the difference now, and here you can just control all those stuffs. Okay, you can see how just giving us something with its need. So I just wanted to get cool like this, and you can see the main tone. Okay, it's just giving you everything you just need, and you can see the shadow. Okay, this is what the shadow is going to give you. You can see the environment, and you can see the car and this character. So this is how it's going to reduce it, and you can move to this side here. Temperature, you can add more or you can reduce it. Okay, so if you want to just maintain, you can just maintain it to like this, and you can check before and after. Okay, so I just prefer to add it to make it to look like this, and then you push here or you can push here. It's just a freedom. You can just hold it and just control it like the way you just want, or you want it to be, or you can just click here and hold it. This is how it's going to be. Anyway, if you want to click and change it, you can do that. So this one, it saves me a lot of time. It does take much time. It just gives you 100% way that you can just color grade it and make sure that what you're expecting from cinematic look, this is going to give you. So make sure you get this plugin. And right now I don't think it's available on the platform. I think they just changed it to a different plugin called Cine Dream. So I think I have it. So if you want any of this plugin, you can just DM me. I will just drop my email, my contact on my description, so that you can just get to me, so that I can get you one. But the price is very cheap. I can just sell it to you in a cheap way. So if you want it, let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.